Okay, this is my fire alarm here. The reason why I have this alarm out is so I can explain why you should never ever tamper with these things. Remember, this is a life safety device. This is going to save your life if there is a fire in the building, because this is going to alert you to get out immediately. Why is this going to alert you? Is because this is going to make a loud sound and flash a very bright strobe when there is something wrong in the building. So this is the only thing that is going to give you notification when there is a fire. So you should never mess with it. Never take the alarm off the wall. Never take the alarm off the ceiling. Never paint the alarm. Never take the horn or the strobe off the alarm. Never take the screws off the alarm. Never take any words off the alarm. Never cut power to the alarm. Never adjust the volume, the pattern, the candela, or tone on the alarm. Don't do any of that. Remember, if you break the alarm, you're going to have to replace it. Because this is serious. Anytime that you pull the fire alarm in a fire emergency, it has to sound immediately. If you pull it and the alarm doesn't sound when you really needed it to sound, then you have a dangerous situation going on. So this is why you never remove an alarm from the wall or the ceiling. The reason why you would disable a pole station in your building is because the people are pulling it for no reason and causing too many false alarms with it. Never do that. Yeah, you don't want people to pull the fire alarm when there is not a fire and set it off. But never take that pole station off the system. Just in case you really need it to alert people to an actual emergency. To prevent false alarms from pole stations in your building, there's those mechanical covers that you put over them, and that will help reduce the amount of false fire alarms that are pulled every year in this country. Especially in schools, because the reason why there's a lot of false alarms in schools is because kids don't want to go to class or do anything like that, so they will activate a pole station in the building to just get out of class. They will do this and eh, eh, like, what they did right there was got into big trouble. and they put people's lives at risk. This is why schools and other buildings with a lot of false alarm incidents should protect those pole stations to prevent these incidents from occurring repeatedly. Bye.